It is 1 o'clock in the morning.
It's 1 in the morning and we're about to do this.
It's
okay.
Ooh. Ooh. Okay.
You're a little low. Still.
This thing really vibrates. I'm gonna put my foot on it.
I got steel toes on, you don't. Back the fuck up.
Uh-oh. Oh, okay. This is also not gonna be even. Just so you know. If you're expecting a box, don't.
That's good. Now bring it straight down.
Are they gonna be able to fit through that?
Yes. Cats can squeeze.
Who's crying?
Probably Gigi. You're gonna have to either flip it upside down.
Oh Jesus! Yeah, that would work.
And start from the hole that you already started.
What do you mean the hole already started?
Up top.
I can't come up.
Bring it down
Why?
to follow the line.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to. Ooh. Yeah, no. No, it's not gonna work. But I also can't go this way, so like... Did it go through the whole door?
Yes.
Oh shit, you were covered.
I know. I'm glad I bought a second pair of these, but I'm gonna be wearing the brown ones.
That's not
Even at all.
no.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot. You just saw through it.
Oliver!
Should I straight?
Cool. All right.
That's as good as it's fucking getting. I need a cold, wet rag. So I need a cold, wet rag. Yeah. blade is bent. I was trying to fix it and didn't realize it was hot, so I burnt my fingers.
Why'd you bend the blade?
I don't know how it bent. I'm guessing it bent from trying to go in a circle on the door.
Yeah. That's why I didn't go in a circle.
Alright, let's finish this.
Wait, I'm gonna do the door.
I'm working on mine still, babe. Maybe.
There's more blades.
I don't know how to change them.
Me either, but I'm just telling you, there's more blades.
I seen. Nope, as soon as I turn it on, it flips off of the centerpiece. I might have it fixed.
Might what?
Have it fixed if I can keep it straight on the door.
So you're making it bigger, ain't you?
That's as good as I'm getting it.
I was gonna say, if you keep making it bigger, Angel's gonna be able to get through. Oliver! Fuck off! How high should I go? Like here?
Just little enough for the kittens, maybe.
Well, the cats need to come in too. Whoa! What is this door? This door must be hollow. It is.
So that'll be easy to do.
Yeah, this door is just... How the fuck... How did I do this last night?
Well, this door was replaced. The original door was like yours and mine. And Brian kicked a hole through the bottom. Like he kicked
How...
for an hour trying to get in here after me and his other ex-girlfriend that was here.
Yeah, the blade's bent. Well, okay. That's a slight problem.
The blade just fell out.
Yeah. Where's that? Fucking broke. I don't know if something's here. What is happening?
That's one way to do it.
This is straight hollow.
It'll make it easier to go through. Cardboard.
Oh, cardboard.
Yeah. That's why they said newer materials are more fire hazard.
Okay, this
I
is
should
the
have
part
put
where I'm scared.
because this is burning.
This is where I'm scared.
At least you have the dresser and hold it steady.
Oh, that's a problem. Any more?
There.
And it's pretty.
That's perfect compared to a solid door.
That is crazy. It's hollow.
New age door versus old fashioned doors.
Woo! Give me a high five. I feel so
Accomplished.
accomplished, empowered. I feel good, dude. I feel good.
Before the kids come back in, I'm sweeping up all the loose.
I feel like I can actually do something with my life.
Here. Not yet. Comparison.
Old door.
This was my solid bedroom door.
That's old. From what, the 30s?
House was built in 28. This was a door that we got to replace one of them that got destroyed.
When did you buy the new door?
7 years ago.
So 10s. 2010s.
Yeah.
Wow.
2013 versus 1928.
I didn't realize they were that hollow. I didn't realize door. Look at my baby. He's like, put me down, mother. Put me down.
Don't worry, we'll flip the toad over in a minute.
Oh, do you not like yourself? I got a cat who's backing up and trying to jump off of me. What is your problem, Houdini? Where are you going, Houdini? Houdini. Uh-oh. Houdini. Oh, Jesus. I got an acid. That hurts. Whoa! He has 2 truck flags. Can you flip them off? Jesus Christ. It is not this blue from what I see. Look at this fucking sky, y'all. It's raining also, but like, Jesus. Oh my God, that's so pretty.